Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Beam app crashing the second you tap it or refusing to open at all? Here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. First, go ahead and swipe up and force the Beam app completely from your recent apps. Now, press and hold the Beam app icon on your home screen, tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete the app to completely uninstall it. Next, open the App Store, search for Beam app and then tap get to reinstall it completely fresh. Beam has pushed multiple bug fixes update in 2026, so running an old version is one of the most common reasons the app crashes before it even opens. A clean reinstall always gets you the latest spread. After reinstalling, go to your settings and then go to general, then go to software update and install any pending iOS update. If it's still crashing, go back to the settings and scroll down to find the Beam app or directly search for it. Tap on it and make sure cellular data and background app refresh are both turned on, since Beam needs a live connection to authenticate your session on launch. So all you've got to do is delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update your iOS, check your connection settings, Beam opens normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more Beam fixes.